Folks, here we are, getting ready, getting set for fishing. Let's go. Hooks up with a big one. Hold on. Let's go.
Oh, buds.
Did it come off? Oh, okay. Yo, it's a giant. Oh my goodness, now I hooked your line.
We're all good.
Let me get that.
This could be in the blooper reel.
Yeah.
Look at everything. My sweater.
Oh my goodness.
Right there.
Yep, hooked up. No, I lost him.
You lost him?
Yeah. Right there at the shore, man. There we go. Hooked up. There we go, folks. Hooked up.
Get him? Here.
Yeah, buds.
He is.
Let's go. Big play. Just complete madness here.
Okay. Finally got it out of my sweater. Here you go, buds.
Okay.
Thanks for that.
Yeah. I'll just give him a quick kill too. Knife him.
Buddy. Vicious.
Yeah. Man, you gotta
You gotta kill him, eh?
gotta kill him.
Put him out of their misery.
Yeah. Every time I get the line ready. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, there he is. Okay,
Man.
drop it, I got it.
They're hard to get, eh?
Yeah.
They just flop around everywhere. Running towards me. Double header.
Buddy.
Oh, that's a tiny one. I'm throwing that guy back. Man, that's a big one.
This one's fat, bro.
This one I'm just gonna throw back. Come here, buds. Oh, he ate it head first.
They've just been pounding the old line target.
I'm telling you, it's a good one, isn't it?
Little bite there. Little nibble.
Oh, right there.
Almost had him.
Oh, that's a decent one. Oh, oh my. Oh, look at this. Look at him just jumping.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
So I would have place.
You're not happy?
Is that another small one? I'll put him back too.
Want me to get the net or?
No, I'll just put him back. Another small one. We're going for the big fatties. Man, this new lure's been good. Nice. Bro, that's a chunker.
Hey, Sam.
Yeah.
Throw that on mine.
What? This?
Put it on his stringer.
Put it on my stringer.
Yeah?
Yeah, get it first.
That's a nice one.
Oh, what's he doing?
Just croaking.
Croaking.
Oh, double. On the pimple. On the big pimple. That's gotta be a nice one. If it's on the pimple. It's actually not even that good.
This one's not good.
Oh, my thing fell off.
This one's just a little wee go.
Yeah, we'll toss him back too.
What are you using?
What am I?
What should I put on?
Oh my. Man, do you have a jerkbait?
Yeah?
Do you?
Any jerk bait?
Anything.
That's what I've been using. Is a little.
This is a...
You want me to get the
Turn towards me.
net?
I don't know, it doesn't feel like it's that big.
No? Maybe, yeah.
Hold on. Way over here.
Buddy. No net? Yeah, net?
Man, no. I'm good.
How's
Man, he devoured it. He crushed it. Another small one though. Where is he at? Get up here, boy. Way over there. Man, I don't even see this. Oh, it's a big one. It's a big one.
Oh, here. Let me get that net.
Oh my goodness.
Put him in, put him in.
Get that sucker.
Put him in.
Let's go. Yeah,
Oh,
boy.
that's huge, buddy.
Oh.
That's a fella, too.
Maybe just flip him. Maybe just flip him. I think so. Quick flip.
Oh, no, I didn't get him.
Get that one in. Put that one on mine.
Oh, I can't.
Just grab him. Just go down and grab him.
Lost him.
That's another.
Another fella.
Just stepping on it. I just stepped on it.
Yeah.
That one.
Yeah.
Just killing it. That's another decent one.
Do you want it on yours up, Tim?
Yeah.
Double header again.
There's Ricky Bobby!
Oh, Uncle Tim, that's a good one, isn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Good, no?
Oh, here we go.
Is it through?
Here we go.
There
yeah.
we go. Here we go. Okay. You got her? You hefty one?
Staying down, it must be decent.
Yeah, it's not bad, I don't think.
Nice, man.
Not bad, actually, yeah.
Need the net?
Oh, there we are.
Hooked on the GoPro.
Yeah, caught the GoPro.
Don't pull that in.
Yeah. That was a nice strike. Oh. Oh! missed him. I think it's just a small guy. I know. Oh man, this seems like a big one too.
Was it? Is she good?
Is it? Oh, I hooked him in the side anyway. It's all good. Release yourself. Right there.
Watch some. Yeah, they're getting hard with the hook.
I know. Get over here, bud.
Whoa. Net? Yeah? Yeah?
Sorry, bud. Oh. You got another one, eh? That's a good one. I'd keep that one. The only thing is, then you're done.
Yeah.
So it's up to you. Oh, right there! Oh, I wasn't even paying attention. Man, he creamed it.
What?
He creamed it. That was awesome. This guy's going away.
Going back.
Oh. Oh my goodness. Like, they eat it like right near the shore. That's another small one. Like, that's another good one, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's a fat one. It's not really long, it's just fat.
Actually, yeah, that is fat. It's got nice markings though.
That's a nice one. Just choking the Rapala. We'll toss him back.
Hey, you know?
What's that? Yeah. Oh, way into the floor.
That's the only thing. Grab that.
No way. Did it get hooked in that? Oh, just line. Oh man. Double.
Him maybe.
No, I don't think so.
No?
Just gotta watch. You can if you like. There you go. Good job, boys.
Man, my hands are freezing. Man, this thing is staying down. This has to be big. This has to be. It's staying down, man. I think it's a big one. And the drag is just. Oh, that's another jumbo. That's another jumbo. Man, get ready with the net here.
Oh, we on that side or this side?
No, this side. I'll bring her in.
Oh yeah.
This is another big one. Oh wow. Oh my goodness.
Rip my pants.
It's a jumbo.
This is a big one.
Yeah. Get him. No, let him swim into the net.
Hold on.
Make sure his head's pointed into the net. Just like that.
Nice net.
Hog, buddy.
That's another pig. I'm done now.
Another pig.
That's a hog, eh? That's it.
I'm done.
Rip my pants on the way in.
No way. Well, I guess
It's a
they're
dedication, boys. You gotta be ready to jump in.
fair enough. Well, folks, that is the ender. All right, where's the pliers? So there.
Nice little fella.
Man,
Big fella.
that litter.
Yeah. He hit pretty good and he just went. It's not even barely hooked, bro.
Man.
He didn't even pull it out.
I just went like. That's it, folks.
That's it, folks.
Lure of the day.
Yeah, that one was working good, eh? It was hitting nice. Got the old souvenir here.
Couple chunkers.
Oh.
That was.
That's awesome.
See what I mean?
That thing just nailed it.
That thing is deadly.